Right Honourable, we discussed that matter extensively.
Uganda was chosen to host this big event. Uganda is committed to ensuring that the event is not just a forum, but a transformative platform that will advance the implementation of the 2030 agenda. We see this as a chance to contribute meaningfully to a broader global discourse on sustainability and showcase our nation's effort and achievements in this regard.
And we look forward to together building this event in line with what you've Right Honourable Prime Minister indicated. It has to be a transformational event. Through your leadership, we can utilize the African Regional Forum for Sustainable Development 2025 as an opportunity for us to have real conversations and discussions on how to address that problem and ensure that we rescue the SDGs as well as Agenda 2063. Then that will be a successful event.
Is our protocol.